As you can see, just using these 5 top applications has allowed me to earn $100 each day in pure passive income. It is accessible anywhere and entirely free to use. Installing these applications on your device is all you need to do to start earning money online, which means you can do it from anywhere in the world. Let's begin with Lifecoin, the first app on our list. On the Lifecoin platform, you can get paid to walk. You can start earning money for walking as soon as you install the app. Additionally, both Android and iOS users can download the software. As a result, you may download it from the Play Store if you have an Android device and from the App Store if you have an iOS device. It also includes a variety of payment methods, which is a plus for this software. As a result, even if PayPal is unavailable in your country, you can still receive payments for things like sporting goods and other gift cards. PayPal is always the best option, but if you don't have it, you can still get compensated with other gift cards, a brand new iPhone, Apple AirPods, Apple Watches, and the other items. To see their most recent prices, check back regularly as they are constantly adding new items. Additionally, as I just demonstrated, it is 100% free to download from the Play Store or App Store. However, you may also download the app from their official website if you so choose. Just head over to lifecoin.ai, the app's official website. By choosing your device's type, you can install the app on it. This one will pay you to walk, and you don't even need to leave your house. All you have to do is download the app to your device and put the phone in your pocket. You will get paid just for downloading this app. You will need to participate in any boring tasks or surveys. You will be paid for merely strolling through your lovely city. Simply install the app, carry your phone in your pocket, and every day you will accumulate points that may be redeemed for a variety of rewards as I've demonstrated. You can obtain 100 gift cards more than once, allowing you to generate pure passive income online. Every 48 hours. I am aware that many of you enjoy the PayPal options. If you're wondering whether this is a scam or whether it's legitimate, consider why they're paying you. Money SMS, on the other hand, makes sure to comply with the most recent GDPR privacy policy requirements by taking all necessary precautions. You can read more about this app here if you're not sure whether to install it or not. Clicking on this link will take you to a page where you can read more about the app. Additionally, I looked up information about the app for you on Google and found a ton of reviews and comments, proving that it is effective and profitable. This app is used daily by more than 400,000 users, and they have paid more than $300,000 so far. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video this far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. The third application on our list is Telefia.io. You can get paid to express your ideas and share your data on the app Telefia. But worry not, you don't necessarily need to express your ideas with this app. You can simply give data, and you'll still be paid a decent sum in completely passive revenue. Consequently, as you can see below, this program has a download meter that will enable you to earn a passive income by simply sharing your data usage. By participating in surveys and sharing your opinions, you can increase your profits if you so choose, but it is not required. One of the best apps to earn money online while doing nothing is Telefia. You can also withdraw money to PayPal effortlessly from here. Simply enter your PayPal email to receive payment right away. To start earning money with this app, all you need to do is download and install it in your smartphone. Then, sign up for a Telefia account and verify it. In order to share your data with Telefia, turn on a few basic permissions for the app. After that, you can start making money simply by providing your data. I want you to go to the website's homepage now, and then click on these three lines. The options choose how it operates. That will take you to a page where you can see that if you leave this app meter running in the background of your device for 8 hours a day, it will count as a qualified day. You can earn $1 in pure passive income by repeating the same activity for 7 qualifying days. These days don't even have to be consecutive. $1 may not seem like much, but keep in mind that this is entirely passive income, and you won't need to do anything to earn it. You only need to install the app and allow it to operate in the background. The name of the fourth app is Mobile Expression Panel. The first app and this one are quite similar. You just have to install the app and they'll gather some information from your phone and pay you. Moreover, if you have the other devices in your home, you can install this app and all the other apps shown in this video on each one of them. You can earn more money if you have more devices. Even with just one phone, things will still be good. But if you have several, you can make at least 4 times as much money as you would with just one. Because the work that runs in the background on your device without your participation pays you between $15 and $20 a month simply to have the app installed, even though you are not doing any of the work. Installing it and creating a free account are the only requirements. You won't even need to log into the app any longer unless you want to simply withdraw your money to continue earning a steady passive income from it without doing anything actively. You can simply forget the app. It's amazing that over 1 million people have downloaded this app. Additionally, this app has been around for a while, which boosts its credibility. Therefore, it is clear that this is not a fraud. If it were, they would have vanished by now. But this one has been running for a while. People from all over the world have been earning money with the Mobile Expression Panel. Therefore, you can just download the app and begin earning money with it as well. The final and fifth app is named Honeygain.com. This is the most reliable app and one of my all-time favorites for creating passive income online. The first app and the fourth app I just showed you have similarities to Honeygain as well. By simply sharing your internet, you can make money here as well. Simply by pressing the play button, you can get a demo tutorial showing you how to use Honeygain on your device. Honeygain also makes sure that only dependable partners use your internet traffic. The fact that they never request or manage to access your device's storage is a plus. As a result, this software is the safest and most secure for earning passive income through data sharing. This program is used by over 250,000 individuals every single day, and each withdrawal from Honeygain costs an average of $26. which is fantastic because it allows you to earn money completely for free while also engaging in pure passive income.
And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you on the next video.